Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use Deepseek Coder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be opening up the official Deepseek website right here, deepseek.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page. So guys, to be able to use Deepseek Coder, we're going to need an account. To create an account, you can just click start now right here. That's going to open up a new page where you can get started with registering a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in into it normally. And now we can get started using Deepseek right here. As you can see, here's the chat we can get started with and so on. So we're going to follow this article right here, Deepseek Coder tutorial, how to get started with the installation. Basically guys, Deepseek Coder is an open source code language model that rivals the performance of other projects right here that you can take a look at. And now we're going to go and take a look at how to install it. So here you have the introduction into how it works, how you can use it, what the background is, and so on. And then we can go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with installing it. So basically guys, you can see there are several ways to start using the Deepseek Coder model. You can run the model locally by accessing it through Hugging's Face, Transformers library. However, there are other options as well. So what you can do guys is follow the steps right here that are explained in the article. As you can see, there is a project demo as well showing us how it works, so you can go and take a look at that, how to get started. But basically this area is what you're going to want to look at, how to get started. So as you can see, alternatively, Deepseek offers a paid API and an online chat interface. So what you can do guys is use it directly right there. So if you want, you can use it directly right here in the chat, or you can just go ahead and open up the API platform that you can find in the upper right corner. If you want to run it locally on your computer, you're going to have your API keys right here that you can use for running it. So you can choose any of the methods preferred right here to get started for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.